St. Anthony's College, Mount Lavinia. Notice: workshops and seminar, job vacancy. All senior students of St. Anthony's College, Mount Lavinia are invited to attend a workshop and seminar on job vacancies and career planning. The event will focus on resume preparation, interview techniques, and exploring career paths in Sri Lanka. Venue: College Auditorium. Date: December 2nd, 2026. Time: 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Industry experts and career advisors will conduct the sessions. Students are encouraged to bring a notebook and pen for notes. Certificates of participation will be awarded to all attendees. For further details, please contact the college office during school hours. Issued by Principal, St. Anthony's College, Mount Lavinia.